So today we'll talk about prompt engineering. Let's move on to the next session. So what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is essentially a process and practice that the aim is to design optimal input, which is so-called prompt, for generative AI model, so that you can produce the optimal result in a way that is accurate and efficient. So what I mean by prompt engineering, the essential idea of a prompt is containing four different elements. The first one is instruction, which is essentially a command that you send to the generative AI model. Another one, context, which is relevant background information you want to provide it to the model, so that you can understand like the background knowledge of your instruction. Input data, which is the data you're trying to work on with or trying to reference. And then the end will be output indicator, which is trying to design a command so that you can have the unified output from the LLM. Next, we are talking about like various prompt engineering techniques. And prompt engineering technique, particularly, is a vast amount of techniques available today right now. But there are mainly three different techniques that's really important, especially when you're designing your RAG application. Those three techniques are the most important. The first one is zero-shot prompting, second one is few-shot prompting, and the end is channel thought prompting, CLT, called. The zero-shot prompting, which is very simple, its idea is to design a prompt that only contains instruction, so that it won't have any example or demonstration. So, for example, if you take this prompt as an example, you will have a command which is instruction from the idea we previously introduced, and the input data. Okay, so we have a instruction. Now we have input data, which is the task we want to analyze. The output indicator then will be a sentiment I want to generate, or you want to analyze from the task we provide. So the output will be neutral based on the task we send it to the model. So it's zero-shot prompting. And the second one is few-shot prompting. Few-shot prompting is different because it provides in context learning. So we actually provide demonstration in a prompt so that you can steer the model to the better performance. So we are telling, okay, so here's our some example that is correct or incorrect. Based on the example, please generate the corresponding output based on the example you learned from the demonstration we provided. So it's actually much more advanced technique in generative AI, so like the model can actually understand like context and also like demonstration, so it can learn the pattern behind the scene instead of like we tell the model is that exactly what we want to do. And second one, or the third one, is channel thought prompting. The channel thought prompting is very important when it comes to reasoning capability for LLM, because it provides much more complex reasoning capability by doing the intermediate reasoning step. Instead of just telling the model, okay, here's what I want to do, then generate the result directly, we try to enable the model to think in a way that we want them to like reason step by step. So you can have like, okay, so if I'm working on a math problem, you can actually tell the model, okay, here's the first step, second, and third. It will generate corresponding like steps and come away with the final output, which is I always say very important in mathematical reasoning and other reasoning capability.